In this video, I'll be showing you how to repair your PS5 DualSense Edge controller not pairing or connecting to your PS5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
But anyways, this could be really annoying. So if this ever happens, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is try and charge your PS5 controller using obviously a USB-C wire. And secondly, just try and connect it straight into your PS5 because firstly, it might be dead. And if it is dead, go ahead and plug it into your PS5. And then once you do plug it into your PS5, and then you press the PlayStation button, it should automatically connect and you should have like this white flashing like light on your controller once it's connected. So then just go ahead and try it again. You'll know it's working because it's going to ask you to sign into a profile of yours. And then if that's still not working, what you can do is on the back of your controller, next to the Sony icon, you're going to see that little hole next to the R. And what you want to do is poke a tiny needle into that and then hold it down there for like 5 seconds to hard reset your PS5 controller. And then what you want to do is reconnect it using a wire to your PS5, press your PlayStation button, and then it should connect properly. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.